Hi and welcome back to Red Riders. Today is a quick video just on the installation of the roof lining. On the previous video I did the lining and the installation of the spotlights, the LED spotlights. I put 8 in there. They are dimmable so I can have them as bright as I like or as low as I like. I can also isolate individual ones as well. For the long wheelbase, I think this is just the perfect combination with 8 lights for this van. So, how easy is the installation? I'll take you through it. The first thing we need to remove is these panels. You've got one on either side. I've removed these already. It is basically a couple of these roof clips or panel clips. There's 2 of those, and then there's a small torque bolt on that one. So pop 2 out and the torque bolt and they drop out. Pretty straightforward. I've already fitted this one and it is really a 2-man job, but if you ain't got 2 men, then what I tend to do is sit on my porta potty, which just gives me the right height to push that up and get the pins in. So it sticks in the lip behind the cab and it fits flush all along. As for the wires, I'm going to put the power bank in this corner behind the driver's seat, so I'm going to run the wires down to there. And then you've got the cutouts. As I mentioned in the previous one, I took 3mm off the entire board all the way around and 3mm off this section here, and it covers it nice and snugly. You can get grey pins for this, but the black is not too outrageous. So you line it in place, you hold it tight, you push the pins in, and then you tap home the middle section and it holds it steady. Once I've got these sections back in, that'll be nice and taut for the roof. Pretty straightforward, took about 10 minutes. The rear one's a bit bigger. Let's see how long it takes me to do that one. There you go, that's 2 in and that holds it firm. Now let's get the rest in. So I've only got 3 wires there, so there's 1 stuck up there, I need to get that out. Use a rubber mallet, it's much easier to drive it home and it doesn't fatigue the palm of your hand. Some of them do require a firmer tap, especially the ones in the middle where they meet up. I don't know whether that's because I've not quite lined up the panel 100%, but there is a little bit of give in it and it seems to be going quite well. A few more to do. Okay, that's the roof lining in. I just need to put the plastic sections back on there and tidy up the wiring. I've not wired up the spotlights yet. This is not the video for that. It was just to show you how easy. It's capable. I've done it a 1-man job, so it is capable. There's a section which needs to be carpeted and covered there, just to tidy up a little bit, and then give it a bit of a brush because it's got my fingerprints all over it, and then we're good to go. And the next job is to tackle this side ply lining and the rear doors. Let's see how it looks from the rear. It just really neatens it up and gives it that luxurious feel. As I mentioned on previous videos, I am reliant on the light and working full time and doing this on a part-time basis. It's only given me a couple of hours a day, but it took me about an hour and a half in total to get that in. A little bit fidgety on your own. If you can draft in a little bit of help, do that. If not, it's perfectly manageable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for sticking around. If you've got any comments, please drop them below. I answer all my comments. If you like what you see, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. You've been watching Rad Riders. I'm Mick, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.